Hello everyone, welcome to our online course demo. This video will give you a quick overview and understanding of what an online course looks like in UR Courses. From the U of R homepage, go to UR Courses in the top menu bar. When you click on that, it will take you to this screen in which you can select Log in to UR Courses. You will log in using your username and password, and you'll get your personal login details when you become a student. When you log into your courses, it will take you to your dashboard. In this navigation bar, you can see that you can find your dashboard, site home, calendar, as well as all of your courses. At the top here, there is also a search bar in which you can search anything in your courses that you might need. There's alerts, there's also messages and discussion groups, and your course email. In this drop-down menu, you can see that you can access your dashboard, your profile, which students and instructors can see all of this info and your pictures. You can access your grades, messages, any preferences that you might have set, and you can turn on dark mode. So on the UR Courses dashboard, there's a notices section right at the top that has information and plans for upcoming academic terms. There's also a calendar on the side, and you can see the important dates and what is on them by hovering over the dates selected. There's also an upcoming events section in which you can see a list of all of the important dates coming up in Word format, if that is easier for you. As well, there's the course overview section. And so this is the most important section where you access all of your online courses. So for this example, we're going to click on PR 203. So in the left sidebar, there's a menu bar that can give you quick access to different course sections and tools, such as your grades, course emails, and any participants. There's the latest announcements, where all of your upcoming assignments may be seen. As well, there's the activities section, where you can see assignments, course email, forums, and resources. Any Zoom meetings may be included in this activities section as well. As well, when you click on participants on this sidebar, and sometimes it's on this right side as well, you can see which users are online and allow you to chat with anyone in your class. Sometimes you may see an upcoming events or schedule in your right side of your screen as well, which can be helpful. In the main materials section of the course, you'll be able to access all of your course materials as well as direct links to class discussions, forums, and emails. So as you can see, the course email and news forum are right here, as well as Zoom instructions. This particular class does not have a Zoom room, but the link would be listed here as well. You can also view the course syllabus and other resources from the instructor. This instructor has put the course outline, orientation, and meet your instructor information in the first week of courses, as well as a little overview of what the course might look like. Every instructor may organize their course materials differently, but they will follow an order that is easy for you to follow. Assignments, quizzes, and exams may also appear in the top section, such as assignment number 1 here, or they may be also listed in the weeks below, such as this assignment link in this week. You can click on these different units to see what your course materials will look like for each week. Some instructors may restrict the week sections and have them available at the start of each week, or they may have them all open, such as these below, where you can click on them and see what all of your upcoming assignments are. And this allows you to work ahead as well. If you click on the assignment at the top, it will take you to a page where the professor puts all of their information about the assignment and anything you might need to know to complete it. At the bottom, it will have your submission box. So since I've already submitted this assignment, it says edit submission or remove, but there will be an add submission button when you are first submitting it. This assignment has been submitted, so you can see that the file submission is linked here, and it has been submitted for grading, and this turns green. We hope this video was helpful, and we hope we'll see you in future online courses.